Hey, it's Mr. Estrada here, and our learning target is I can find missing interior angles of a triangle. Okay, so here is the triangle angle sum theorem. And it says that the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So here we have triangle with vertices A, B, and C. The triangle angle sum theorem says that the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C equals to 180 degrees. Okay, let's look at an example. Here we have triangle ABC, and the question is, what is angle A, or the measure of angle A, rather? Well, what do we know? We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C add up to 180 degrees, so we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. Then we can substitute and leave angle A as unknown, since that's what we're looking for. So angle A plus angle B, which is 110 degrees, plus angle C, which is 60 degrees, equal 180 degrees. Combine the like terms, we get angle A plus 170 degrees equals 180. Subtract 170 degrees on both sides. Angle A is equal to 10 degrees. And that's the measure of angle A. It's 10 degrees. 10 plus 110 is 170. 170 plus 60 is 180. So we know we're right. Let's look at another example. So it says here, find x, y, and z. Now it's important to note that you actually have three triangles here. You have triangle FGJ, you have triangle GJH, and then you have triangle FGH, which is the whole thing. So we are being asked to find x, y, and z. Let's begin with x. To begin, I want us to just focus on triangle FJG. Let's just focus on this triangle here. So we could find x. We're going to focus on that triangle right there. Let me put a spotlight, and you'll see why I'm doing this. So let's just focus on this triangle here. Well, what do we know about these three angles here? We know that they have to add up to 180 degrees, correct? We know that, I don't have space there, so I'll do it this way. We know that x plus 65 plus 39 should equal 180 degrees. That's what we know. So knowing that, we can solve for x. So I want you to take a minute and solve for x. And you should get x equals 76. So that's the value of x. X is 76 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and write 76 degrees there, since I know that this is equal to 76 degrees. Okay, now, how do I find y? How do I find y? Let me write, find y. Well, let's focus this time, right? This time, what I want to do is, I want us to just focus on the supplementary angles that are there. And let me spotlight them for you in case you don't see them. You could see here that the 76 degrees and this y, these are supplementary angles, right? These are, see, here is the straight angle, right? And these two angles, they should add up to 180 degrees. These are supplementary. So we're going to find y by saying y plus 76 equals 180. And when we solve for y, we get 104. So y is 104. Okay, now we have to find z. Find z. All right, so before I find z, I'm just going to go ahead and label this angle here 104. So this angle here is 104 degrees. All right, so let's find z. Okay, this time what I want to do is I want to just go ahead and focus on this triangle here. So what do I know about the angles 21 degrees, this 21 degree angle here, and this 104 degree angle, and this z angle, this angle here that's labeled z degrees? I know that they have to add up to 180. So I can say z plus 104 plus 21 equals 180 degrees. And when I solve for z, I get 55 degrees. So this is 55 degrees. So z is 55 degrees. Let me just write 55 there. And those are our final answers. X is 76 degrees, y is 104 degrees, and z is 55 degrees. One of the things you'll notice is if I draw the triangle here, this is a depiction of it. It's not a F, G, H. Right? We know F is 65. We know angle H is 55. And angle G is the sum of 39 and 21, and that's 60. So here's one way to check. We know that these are supposed to add up to 180, and they do. So we know that we did everything correctly. Okay, let's work out another example. It says, given the triangle below, what is the measure of each angle? Again, we know angle A plus angle B plus angle C add up to 180. Right? That's what the theorem says. Now we can substitute. So when we substitute, we're going to get x plus 15 plus angle B, which is x, plus C, angle C, which is 2x plus 1, excuse me, equals 180. Combine the like terms. X plus x is 2x plus 2x, that's 4x, plus 15 plus 1 is 16, equals 180. You're going to get x equals 41. I skipped a step there, by the way, just to save us some time. So if x is 41, that means angle B is 41 degrees. So this angle here is 41 degrees. This angle here is going to be 41 plus 15, which is equal to 56 degrees. So we know this angle here is 56 degrees. And this angle here is going to be 2 times 41 plus 1. So that's 41 times 2 plus 1. That's 83. So we know this angle here is 83 degrees. So we have an 83 degree angle, a 56 degree angle, and a 41 degree angle. So let's check. So 56 plus 41 plus 83. Will that give us 180? Yes, it most certainly will, so we know we did it correctly. Okay, I hope this video helps you with finding the interior angles of a triangle. Take care.